Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of Roblox if you have already logged in, and now you just need to tap on three bar and just tap on this avatar editor. So now you can see that avatar editor cannot be used on mobile or iPad, so you just need to enable desktop mode by tapping on double A and just tap on this request desktop website to enable desktop mode. Now you just need to tap on accessories and go to face accessories, and here you can see I have already equipped two accessories. I'll show you how can you equip the third one as well. So just hold the new accessories, copy the link address, tap on new, open tab, then paste the link over here, copy the link address or the asset ID. Sorry, I just messed up. So just tap on it, copy the asset ID, go back to avatar page, and here you have to tap on this advanced link and just paste your asset ID in the blank asset ID and just tap on save and save again, and boom, you have selected three accessories at once. So that's how you can select multiple accessories on Roblox. Hope you like it. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Till then,